Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop your MacBook screen from sleeping or turning off. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And now on the left side, you want to go down to Lock Screen and select that. And on the right side where it says turn off display when inactive, click the drop down and select never. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.